I am ruling against you, sir. Your conduct is unacceptable. Marshal, take him into custody.
You have no authority to do this.
When this cop slapped a college student with 2 tickets just for flipping him off, the judge saw right through the ego trip and shut it down instantly.
Doing routine patrol in Watson Township. I was traveling westbound on 116th Avenue. I observed the defendant's vehicle driving directly ahead of me. While driving behind that vehicle, I paced it at 58 miles per hour for approximately 3 miles. Upon activation of my emergency lights, the vehicle continued driving for approximately a quarter mile before turning left onto 19th Street and coming to a stop. At that point, I made contact with the defendant, explained the reason of the stop, and issued the citation.
All right, Mr. Webb, what is it you wish to tell me?
I guess I'll just tell my story. I was on my way back from school. When I got onto 222, I saw Mr. Kibbe sitting in like the little construction area across from the gas station. That's when I decided to flip him off. This obviously made Mr. Kibbe upset, prompting him to pull out behind me and begin following me for a few miles until I reached a downslope. I had my cruise control set at 57, so as soon as I hit that bottom of that downslope, my car accelerated a little bit, supposedly 1 mile an hour. And this is when Mr. Kibbe turned on his lights, and it was very obvious that he was targeting me. So I instantly, right away, started slowing down and decided that turning off to the left was going to be my best case scenario because it was going to put Officer Kibbe out of the main road, which I know is one of the leading causes of death for officers.
Deputy, what is the speed limit on this road?
55 miles per hour.
All right. So the too fast for conditions is the 58?
Correct.
Failure to yield to emergency vehicle is the driving for a quarter mile before he pulled over?
Correct. Your Honor, my understanding of the failing to yield for an emergency vehicle moving is that they have to pull immediately to the parallel to the road they're currently on. And in the event that I was heading to an emergency, he would have been impeding me by turning left across both lanes where I couldn't pass him.
Mr. Webb, you know how dumb it is needlessly upset law enforcement, right?
Yes, I know that.
Because they have certain powers that they can exercise over your life and make your life difficult. It was a dumb thing to do.
Yes, and I have stopped since then.
All right. My understanding that you drove at the speeds you were normally driving to go a quarter mile down the road, turn left, and then pull over, sort of right away once you got off the busier road. I wouldn't find either of these two actions to be violations of the statutes that you were written for. It's pretty clear here, Mr. Webb, what you did. You used really bad judgment that normally is going to end up costing you money, right? And costing you points on your driver's license because it's just a dumb thing to do. Don't do it again.
Okay.
All right. I would not find you responsible on these citations as they're written.